Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to edit and manage existing form templates in your Vagaro business account. Once you have created your forms, you can modify them to add additional questions or change when customers are required to submit a form response. We'll also review ways you can share forms with your customers. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Forms. Vagaro will display all our existing forms and SOAP notes. We can filter by forms and SOAP notes, as well as published and drafted options. We can also use the search field to find a specific template. If we want to modify one of our form templates, we can select the Action menu to the right, then select Edit. On the next screen, we can modify our existing template. We can add, change, or delete elements on our form. Through the form settings, we can adjust the mandatory requirements for customers. For example, if we recently added a new service or class to our menu, we can require customers to complete our form when they book it online. Once we're satisfied with all changes, we'll select Publish at the top of the screen. Any changes to the form will immediately apply going forward. Under the Action menu to the right, we have other options to manage our forms. We can delete or duplicate the template. Deleting a form will not delete any responses, but they will only be visible through each client profile. We can view all responses for a form by selecting View Responses from the Action menu or by selecting the number of responses under the Status column. The next two options in the Action menu allow us to copy a link to our form or embed in a website. We can share the link with customers via email or text, or for the Embed option, we can copy the code, then insert our form into a personal website. Finally, we can convert our form into a SOAP note. SOAP notes can only be filled by employees through a customer's profile. Managing our forms allows us to make edits to a questionnaire, change when it's required, and share with our customers. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.